Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest technology updates. Today we are going to compare two amazing TVs from Samsung and Hisense. We'll go through various categories and features and help you choose the one that fits your needs. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. The Samsung Neo QLED TV is priced at $2,697, whereas Hisense ULED 4K Premium comes at a price of $699. Hisense TV being affordable is a clear winner in this category. Samsung Neo QLED uses quantum matrix technology with mini LEDs. It takes exact control of individual zones of light in your picture for breathtaking color and contrast. On the other side, Hisense ULED uses proprietary ULED technologies that boast colors, contrast, brightness, and motion in a completely unique way. However, Samsung brings the better picture quality in this category. Samsung Neo QLED uses Quantum HDR32X technology that produces vivid shades of color for a more realistic movie or show experience. With Quantum Dot wide color gamut, Hisense ULED brings purer, richer, and more accurate colors than a regular LED TV. So in this category, it's a tie. Samsung Neo QLED has a peak brightness of 2000 nits, whereas Hisense ULED boasts a peak brightness of up to 600 nits across up to 48 local dimming zones. In this category, Samsung is the clear winner. Samsung Neo QLED comes with Dolby Atmos and Object Tracking Sound Plus, which delivers realistic 3D sound that puts you in the middle of the action. Hisense ULED also comes with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. However, the sound quality of Samsung is better compared to Hisense. Samsung Neo QLED comes with multiple voice assistants built in and has smart calibration. Hisense ULED also works with both Google Assistant and Alexa through any of your Alexa-enabled devices. Both TVs have excellent smart features, so it's a tie. That's it for today's comparison. We hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more technology updates. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.